Welcome back, friends. Today we will start processor operators. In the previous episodes, we study predefined macros and C preprocessors. So, in this reference, today we will discuss about preprocessor operators. In the preprocessor operators, first of all, I would like to define macro continuation operators. In C, macro continuation operator is known as slash. A macro continuation operator is normally confined to a single line. It is used to continue a macro that is too long for a single line. For example, if we define message for A comma B, now it is too long, so we can separate our macro slash. Now slash is known as macro continuation operators. Printf hash A single quote and hash B colon V presents this example for you, then slash n double quote semicolon. Now this is the macro definition. So if definition is too long, then we can separate our macro definition with the help of slash. So slash is known as macro continuation operator. There is no output for this because we can't use this macro. Now next operator is known as string is operator, that is known as hash. The string guys or number sign operator hash, when used within a macro definition, it converts a macro parameter into a string constant. This operator may be used only in the macro having a specified argument or parameter list. If suppose this macro is used inside this program msg for underscore for bracket Pramod, comma Kumar, semicolon. Now this will be A and this will be B according to the definition of my macro. Now run. Pramod Kumar, we present this example for you. This is the output of this program. Now this code is compiled and executed. It produced the this result that is in front of you. So in this hash is known as stringized operator. Now next topic is token passing operator. Token passing operator is known as double hash. Within a macro definition combines two arguments. It permits two separate tokens in the macro definition to be joined to a single token. For example, if we declare another macro token paster and printf, token hash n double quote equal to %d comma token double hash n. Now we are using this token or this macro int token 34 equal to 40 token paster 34 semicolon, then bracket, now run this code. Token 34 equal to 40, now we see a variable token 34 is defined with the value of 40 and we are passing a 34 value to our macro and the value of n is 34, so the printf statement is running just like that. Token n value of n equal to value of n is equal to 40 and token from the token variable. Token variable is known as this. It happens because this example result is the following actual output from the preprocessor. Token 34 equal to %d in between double quotes and command token 34. This example shows the concatenation of token hash n into token 34, and here we used this string guys and token pasting. Now our next topic is defined operator. Defined operator is known as defined and then bracket. Defined operator is used to constant expression to determine if an identifier is used if an identifier is defined using hash define. If the specified identifier is defined, the value is true, or you can say non-zero. If the symbol is not defined, the value is false, or you can say 0. We can see this with the help of an example. So first of all, we prepare a macro if not defined bracket msg. If we do not define a macro msg hash define msg double quote we wish you lucky. Then double quote till then hash and if. Now in main we are using our macro. Printf double quote message equal to %s slash n comma msg. That is our macro. Now run. Message we wish you lucky. This is the final output. Now this code is compiled and executed. Another thing is parameterized macro. One of the powerful function of the C preprocessor is the ability to stimulate functions using parameterized macro. For example, we might have some code for square a number, then we write some statement just like this. Integer square into x, small s, then it returns x into s into x semicolon. Now this code can be written using the macro just like that. Hash define square square in bracket x space x into x. Macro with argument must be defined using the hash define directives before they can be used. The argument list is enclosed in the parenthesis and must immediately follow the macro name. Spaces are not allowed between the macro name and open parenthesis. Now we can use our macro, so we can remove this. Now printf square of 2 equal to %d comma s square square 2. One more thing is that whenever we define the macro, we can use the capital letters in place of a small letter, so we can justify and separate which one is macro, which one is function. So this is the rememberable thing, so this is not ignored by you, so you can use capitalized square in place of this. Now we are not squaring this, so the square of 2 is 4. This is the example. Would you like my episodes? So please like, share and subscribe my videos. Till then, keep learning and goodbye.